Hey, how's it going? My name's Duncan. So I recently had an opportunity to rebuild the Notion timeline feature, and I added some cool animations to it, and just wanted to make a really quick video showing you how I set it up. So first things first, over here, if we click in a little bit, you'll see that I have an interaction on this element, which is what is doing all of these scrolling interactions. That is pretty self-explanatory. I mean, you could just kind of click in here and sort of piece it together, what's doing what. What I recommend doing is just clicking through bit by bit, and you can see things kind of come to life, see things come together. That's where that is. Main thing I wanted to show you was in here, how I controlled the width interaction is I created all these little spacer blocks. And what I'm doing is I'm setting those to a width of 0. They have a little padding on the inside, I think, so that's what's holding it open there at the end. So I have all of these little RM spacers, which stands for roadmap spacer. I think they have a width of, 6 viewer width units. So this whole thing, what's nice about that is it's pretty mobile friendly. Yeah, because I used the viewer width units. And whenever the user scrolls, I am setting the roadmap spacer from an initial size of 6 viewer width units down to 0, which is just filling up all that space, or removing all of that extra space. And I have these spacers inside of these little roadmap items, and then also here on the left, which is creating the sort of timeline view. So yeah, I think that's it. Feel free to use this for whatever you like. Do keep in mind that it was inspired by Notion, so it looks and feels like Notion, and whenever possible, I would attribute the design to them. But yeah, hope you enjoy, and I will talk to you later. Bye.